So here's how we can enable a specific vibration for app notifications on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you go to the settings and open up the sounds and haptics, which obviously haptics are the vibrations, you can see some categories of apps or services which you can change the sound and vibration for. So for example, whenever you receive like a new email, you can tap on a new mail, and at the bottom you have the alert tones, which are the notification sounds, but at the top you have the haptics, and you can choose from all of the different styles which are already like part of the settings. But at the bottom below you can choose a custom one, so you can literally create a new vibration which is created by tapping on the screen in these like distinct patterns for you to recognize it based on the vibration only. And that's how you can set up a new pattern which is going to be added to your settings, and you can choose that to be the vibration whenever you receive a new mail. So this applies to other places as well, like for the text messages as well as the phone calls and stuff like that. So that is how you can basically do this. When it comes to some other apps, it is a little bit like more difficult to actually get it to work, because if you go to like random apps in here, and if you set up the notifications, like you turn it on, like you have like these sounds and the badges which you can customize and stuff, but you don't really see the setting for vibrations. Like you can explore the settings which are a part of the app specifically if you would want it to, but it's a little bit harder to set that up because it's not like the by default part of the settings here. So let me know if you have found it for the app that you wanted to. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials as well.